it delusion or ego. Call it whatever you like. I'm on my own vibe. Watering seeds from the tears that I cried. I'm making fans of my critics. Castles I built in my mind. Took some alone time. Put my phone on airplane mode. I'm flying so high. I got right with my psyche. I wake up like I don't chase, I attract. Universe has got my back. Like me, must be my energy. I decided it's a fact. Everything I want, I have. Like me, must be my energy. I'm like a sleepwalker living my daydream. Don't wake me up from my life. Not scared of vampires. They can't suck me dry when I'm so damn alive. 2020, got perfect vision like visionary. God is my witness, yeah, luck is a lady and karma's a bitch on my side. I don't chase, I attract. Universe has got my back. Like me, must be my energy. I decided it's a fact. Everything I want, I have. Like me, must be my energy. Must be my
This dance is called My Energy, choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 3-2 count, 2-wall, high intermediate level, rolling count line dance. There is one restart and one tag in this dance. Session 1, starting with the right foot. Forward to right diagonal with a quarter turn right, sweep your left foot. Now facing 3 o'clock, cross. Quarter turn left, stepping back, quarter turn left, stepping to side with a sweep. Half turn right, diamond. Cross, side, 1/8 turn right, stepping back. Back, 1/8 turn right, stepping to side. 1/8 turn right, stepping forward. 1/8 turn right, cross. 3/4 turn left, run around in an arc. Left, right, left. Section 2, press forward, recover with a sweep, point back. Half turn right and continue make a quarter turn right, sweep your left foot. With, cross, side, behind. Side touch, quarter turn left, side, point. 1 1/4 turn right. Quarter turn right, stepping forward, half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Section 3, half turn right, stepping back with a sweep. Behind, side, cross with a hitch, facing 10-30. Left foot, forward locking step, right foot, forward locking step. Forward, 3/8 turn left, stepping back to 6 o'clock, together. Right foot cross samba, cross, set up, recover. Section 4, cross and dip. Monterey, 3/4 turn right. Point, 3/4 turn right, point. Left foot cross samba, cross, set up, recover. 1/8 turn left, stepping forward, facing 130, and hitch your left foot. Back with a sweep, back with a sweep. Half turn left, stay the step. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, R6, R7, A and R. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, R6, R7, A and R. 1, 2, R3, 4 and R5 and R6, R7, A and R. 1, 2, R3, 4 and R5, 6, 7, A and R. Let's one restart in this dance. On wall 2, you dance up to 16 count with a change step. Wall 2, you will be facing 730. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, R6, R7, A and R. 1, 2, R3, 4, R5, R6, R7, AR change to half turn right sailor, AR then 1 to restart. There's one tag in this dance. The tag happened at the end of ball 3. You'll be facing 730. Tag has 2 count, starting with the right foot. For rock, recover, count. 1, 2. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.